There's a lawyer, you guys, who is accused of storing 1,000 pounds of marijuana at his law office, enters a guilty plea, you guys. That's right. A Virginia lawyer has been temporarily suspended after pleading guilty for his role in a conspiracy to distribute large amounts of marijuana. That's right. Lawyer Mathieu Taylor, maybe they should say former lawyer Mathieu Taylor Morris, 38 of Virginia Beach, Virginia, was suspended effective October 1st and ordered to show cause why his law license should be further suspended or revoked. According to a September 27th show cause order, the legal profession blog noted the temporary suspension and a September 24th press release on Morris's guilty plea. Morris allowed other participants in the conspiracy to store 1,000 pounds of marijuana and cash proceeds at his Virginia Beach law firm, the top-tier law group, prosecutors said. The street value of the marijuana products ranged from $800,000 to $1.6 million, according to a statement of facts signed by Morris and filed with the show cause order. Morris also allowed a co-conspirator to store cash proceeds from marijuana sales at his law office, the statement said, and in one photo taken at the law office, a co-conspirator posed with more than $100,000 in cash. On the wall behind him are Morris's diplomas and legal credentials, and as a compensation, Morris received part of his monthly rent for his law office from a co-conspirator. In a quote, for several months beginning in late 2021, end quote, prosecutors said Morris also received 70 pounds of THC products at a rate of 15 pounds per month that he could sell to his customers. Man, he was a trapping lawyer, man. You guys getting it. Morris also allegedly received a handgun from a co-conspirator, even though Morris's unlawfully used Adderall, cocaine, opiates, and THC, prosecutors said. Man, this guy's a party
fucking
animal.
Party, Jason.
Yeah. And Morris is a former prosecutor in Portsmouth, Virginia, who resigned from the Commonwealth Attorney's Office on September 6th, 4 days after the indictment. And WVEC reported here, Morris joined the prosecution's office 3 months after the drug conspiracy allegedly ended in May of 2022, according to the Virginia Pilot. And Morris pleaded guilty to conspiracy to possess with intent to distribute marijuana and possession with intent to distribute marijuana. His sentencing is scheduled for January 22nd, you guys, 2025. And Morris is represented by lawyer James O. Broccoliti in the criminal case, and he did not immediately respond to an ABA Journal email seeking comment, you guys. Well, what do you think about this? This guy sounds trap-tastic. I think he might be able to beat out Better Call Saul. What do y'all have to say about this?
Well, justice served would have helped you, bud, if it wasn't for all the cocaine, Adderall, and the gun, making this not a nonviolent offense. Mm-hmm. This guy is wildin'.
Right.
Oh, my goodness. He, swung for the fences. He's all coked up on a Thursday night. He's like, it'd be cool, dude. I'd probably make more money if I just, stored weed. We do storage agreements all the time, too. The difference is we're licensed to do so. Might I suggest a public storage would have been better than your law office, sir? Mm-hmm. What a jackass. And I want to see the money phone picture, because, they're holding a bag up to one ear and the money phone up to the other and answering,
I wonder if it was all in hundreds or if it was a whole bunch of 20s.
Better be in hundreds. Public service announcement. Don't pay people in bills smaller than hundreds.
I mean, with all of his lawyer certificates in the background, too, crazy.
What a moron. This guy gets an F for fucking failure.
Yeah.
I mean, but here's the thing, right? There are people who wish they were in other jobs, roles, and professions. And I think there's a lot of lawyers that feel stifled by just the boringness of practicing law and really would like an infusion of excitement in their lives. When we had a cannabis cultivation collective in California prior to Proposition 64 passing, one of our civil attorneys solicited us to be an investor in our business, and we didn't say yes to him. But I do think that these folks get a little tired of just picking up their white collar shirts from the dry cleaner and spell checking their most recent document. And so he probably had a very boring life. and didn't understand
like it.
that he could probably take up paintball on the weekends with his guy friends and get just as much excitement as he needed to have a fulfilling life.
I'll tell you what, Yarrow, you know what I think? This is kind of like what you get when you mix Law and Order Special Victims Unit with Malibu's Most Wanted.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
I mean, this is why you don't listen. If your lawyer is hitting this thing at your arraignment, go with somebody else. He's not the guy. He's not the guy. It's not allergies.
It's not allergies.
Zyrtec can't fix that.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
That's crummy. Like, listen, this is just, it's so flagrant. It also sounds like he pissed somebody in his office off.
He was getting paid.
You know, not only were they like, hey, he's selling weed, he's getting paid to store weed. This is how much he's getting a month to serve his own client.
He was collecting 15 pounds of weed for rent.
Hold on. But they're also like, and he's a cokehead, sniffs Adderall. So
man,
somebody snitched on him heavily. I'm sure he'll figure it out when the discovery comes down. But like, just flagrant little moron.
Man.
We cover a few of those on this show.
Literally.
Fair enough, you guys.